So now I'm going to create my new workbook. Here I type data. Okay. Then I come to this point. And again, then borders to this, to this, to this. And here I'm going to give gray. Okay. Gonna select this border, format cells, border, the color. Of this. Okay. And I have my data. Now I'm going to do another thing. I'm gonna take my detailed data. Okay. Then here I'm going to copy a set of data and I format as table. Okay, like this. Okay. Like this. Table cells. Or better, I'm going to formulas. I'm going here, I'm going to select this, edit DBL cells. Okay, close. So I'm done with this. Okay, and we have our table here.